Chapter 12, India, Human Resources. Human Resources and I. We can progress as an individual and as a country if the people of our country are healthy, educated, skilled, and employed. We cannot be happy if people near us are unhealthy, uneducated, unskilled, and unemployed. To make India a developed country, it is necessary that attention is paid to all these aspects. India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of land and is the world's second largest country in terms of population. India's population in 2011 was 121 crore. Now, it is estimated to be over 134 crore. There are many merits and demerits of having such a large human resource. More people can do more work, but at the same time, an increasing population needs more of land, houses, schools, clothes, food, hospitals, roads, and all other things. It is not possible to achieve development to the fullest with population increasing at such a rapid rate. India can take advantage of such a large population only if human resource development takes place. For this, all people should be educated, trained, skilled, and healthy. India has made much progress in all fields, but its level is not yet high because of a large uneducated and unskilled population. Therefore, there is a need for human resource development. Human resource development. To achieve human resource development, the government has initiated a number of steps. These are mainly in the following directions. Health. A healthy person can work better. Health is a basic need, so the government has set up medical colleges, hospitals, and primary health centers at different places. Recently, the government has started the Ayushman Bharat Yojana to provide quality treatment to a large number of people. Hygiene. Cleanliness and hygiene ensure that people fall less ill. To spread awareness among people, the government has started the Swachh Bharat mission. It has also taken steps to build toilets in all villages to ensure hygiene. Education. To secure education for all people, the government has started several schools, colleges, and training institutions at all levels. It has made education free and compulsory for all children up to the age of 14 years. The Operation Blackboard has been started to provide different facilities in schools. The Adult Literacy Campaign has been started to educate illiterate adults too. Skill and training. The government has opened a number of training institutions in different fields where children can be trained and skilled. This training is provided in different fields including science and technology. A number of projects have also been started. Employment. The government tries to set up such facilities by which employment can be generated in the country. For example, the government has started the Mudra Yojana to give loan to people to start their own enterprises. There are many more of such government schemes. Important terms. Population. The total number of people of a country. Human resource. Skills and abilities of people. Employment. A work done to earn money. Operation Blackboard. A government program for children's education. Adult Literacy Campaign. A government program for adults' education. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. The government's health scheme. Swachh Bharat Mission. The government's cleanliness awareness scheme. Mudra Yojana. The government's loan scheme for starting enterprises. Important facts. India's population is increasing at a rapid rate. There are merits and demerits of our large population. The country's progress depends on development of human resource. The government has initiated several measures for development of human resource. The government has made effort in the directions of health, hygiene, education, skill and training, and